Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this counting or rolling text animation using Filmora 13. This animation is very easy to create, so let's jump into Filmora and get started. Okay, first we need to make our main text layer, so go to the text and select the default title and add it to the timeline. Expand. Type here what you want. So here I type $500,000 and select the font you want to use. Here I use Go Bold Bold font style. Okay, this is our main text layer. So after that, take a copy of this layer and paste its second layer, like this. Then change the layer color to what you want. Then go to the text settings and I delete these letters except the dollar sign, like this. Then go to the advanced settings and we need to create a vertical line of the dollar sign. So I type $10 $10 times here. Then I select here and press enter to bring these letters down. After that, I change the line space to something -3, or you can play with it to give enough space for rolling transition. Then click this apply button. After that, I place this text layer on top of our main text, like this. It should look like this for all the letters we will animate. You can copy this layer and change the dollar sign to number 5 and follow the same step. So then type number 5 in 10 times. For this, I change the line space to -15. After that, click apply and place it on top of our main text layer, like this. We need to create the same kind of text layers for our other letters. And voila! Now it should look like this. Now, we want to get rid of that unwanted area. For that, let's add a mask effect. So, go to the effects and select the shape mask effect. Add it to the timeline like this. To go to Effects Settings, double-click the Shape Mask layer and adjust the mask height like this. So guys, after you create your text layers, delete your main text layer. We don't need that again. Okay, now we are here to the exciting part, where we will now make a rolling text effect. So I select all my text layers and go to Multiple section and create a keyframe on position. Then go to the Start and select my first text layer. Then change the Y position like this. Then I select my second layer and move this text layer up, and I keep doing the same thing for my other text layers, like this. Repeat the same process for all the text layers. Okay, now our rolling text animation looks like this. So then let's adjust the key graph and go to the keyframe panel, then select these keyframes, and I add this curve preset to this. Then I do the same thing for my other text layers. Okay guys, now our rolling text animation is complete. So here it looks like. Okay, after that, select all these layers and press Alt+G to create a compound clip. So I named it Rolling Text and hit OK. After that, I like to add a zoom out animation to this. So I go to the Start and go to the Scale. Then I change the scale to something like 160 and create a keyframe. Then I select the timeline and change it back to 100. I will move this a little bit to have more space for the zoom out effect. This is okay. Then open the keyframe panel and select these last keyframes and add the curve preset. Perfect. Here is how it looks. Now I like to add a bit more life to the rolling text. Let's go to the effects, add mosaic to the timeline. Make sure the blur starts when the text is rolling. This is okay. Adjust the scale to cover the whole text. Cut the mosaic when the rolling text slows down, and let's make the blur amount to 100. Now, we don't want to have a rough transition when blurring the text when it's moving. Go to Transition and add Dissolve to the beginning and end of the mosaic and adjust accordingly. Animation is done. Here's the result. Also, if you need to change the text color, simply go into this compound clip, click Expand, and I like to change the $sign color, so I drag these layers here, then I take a copy of the $sign layer and paste it here. After that, go to the text settings. Select the last $sign and change the color you like. Click Apply, and now we have the rolling text animation. You can change the numbers from 0 to 9 instead of copying it 10 times. If you want me to do it in the next video, comment yes and your favorite color. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.